Hello. Welcome to another video, another few days in my life. Welcome to snowy Sweden. It's the 30th of March, Tuesday, and I guess the April weather is starting on us. We kind of have a saying here in Sweden, like April Fool's weather in a sense, because you can't know for sure how to dress for the day, because it can rain, it can be clear day with no clouds in the sky, and snow all in the same day during April. And I guess we're starting that already. I'm on my way to the program, and this week we have Easter coming up. So yeah, we're gonna have Easter with my family a little bit. And today we're actually going to go and visit a new store that is opening, a store that I try every time I am in Stockholm to go visit, because I love their, assortments. They have a lot of fun stuff. Let's see, we can do. It's snowing. We can do this now. Well, yeah. Today we're gonna go to that new open store. It opens today, I think, and we'll see. We're gonna go there after the program. And hopefully we're gonna try the new sushi place, since they had they sold out on the vegetarian parts. I couldn't try it last week, but hopefully, fingers crossed, we're gonna do it on Thursday. Me and my mom plan to eat from there, so fingers crossed we get to try it. But yeah, tag along this week and we'll see what we get up to, what this Easter celebration and days turn out to be, and if we get any more snow. All right, let's start this week, okay? So we're home. Do we want a little bit of a howl? 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 Huh? I got a few things. Did not get that much, to be honest. But I got a few things. If you know, when I've seen vlogs from when I've been in Stockholm, I've visited this store quite a lot. And now finally is in our town. And one of the things that I tend to buy the most are these dried pineapple. They have mango, and it said, when I googled on the dried fruits at Normal, it said there were also melons, but I could not find any melons, at least not fruit ones. But I did get these. I got 3. yeah. So, and then I found another snack. Mochi pancakes. And I think what I read too, that they are vegetarian, might even be vegan. They don't have any marks, vegan marks. They don't seem to be marking that, but what I can read from the ingredients, there is no animal products in this. But we will test it out. Should we test it out today? I don't know, maybe. Then I got a roller for the clothes. I do have cats, you might have noticed. And for the cats, I got soup. Cat soup? Well, not cat in the soup, but soup for the cats. Did I get something for you? It's for you. Do you want soup today for dinner? Maybe? Shira was the one that came running, but he didn't want to jump up. And then I got a brown eyeliner for brows. Brown eyeliner for brows. I'm starting to have very little of the one that I have. And this one said that it had a cruelty-free stamp on it. This doesn't though. I picked up from the same stand and it had a stamp on that one, vegan and cruelty-free. Well, I hope this one is still. It doesn't have a mark on the pen. Damn it. But yeah, brow pencil, dark brown. This. And I also got some pads. It's good to have, and they were very cheap. Maybe I did not put anything on, didn't say what anything cost. I will add that in on each product. So I wrote them in Swedish crown so that you could, depending on what currency you use, you can check it. But yeah, I also got the bag. It is Nami here. No, he's curious. He's here. What do Nami want? She's wondering about the bag. Anyways, in total, this was 168 kroners in total for, I have to say how many products. I showed you all the products, but usually it says like how many items I got. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For 8 products, all this stuff. 168 kroners was in total for everything. I didn't get that much, but yeah. Let's, this one is new, so let's try that one out together. I'm sorry, I'm all over the place. And I should probably eat lunch before I do this, but we don't. Alright, so this was mochi. Pancake. The pineapple I already know I love, but maybe I can open and show you. Ooh, squishy. Mmm. That's divine. That's really good. Well, that was a treat. That was really good. Holy smokes. There's quite a few in them. No. This one is 34 kroners. Drop you want to know as well. Did you get, this is for you. Soup. But that mochi was really, really nice. Holy smokes. Yummy. Alright, let's open this one too, even though I know I love them, but I can show you. It's just dried fruit, so. But this is one of my favorite snacks. Dried pineapple. I don't know if you should have it, but you can smell it. This is so good. Good price. And it's, yeah. It's not cat treats, I'm sorry. But now I am going to pack things away. And I'm going to go do some lunch. It's late lunch because I think it's past 2. So it's probably going to be a lunch dinner kind of situation. And I'm going to make a big portion because I need it for lunch and dinner tomorrow as well. I'm working from home tomorrow. Well, at least it has to last for 3 more meals. Whatever I'm cooking today. No, it's going to be lunch, dinner now, and then tomorrow's lunch and dinner. But we'll see what I do. I'm not really sure if I should do some pit or if I should do a wok of some sort with rice. Maybe I should just do pit. It was a very long time since I did that. But I'm going to keep the bag. You will see what kind of lunch I do. And then after lunch, I'm going to transfer the files and prepare to the video of the vlog that's coming up on Friday. All right, let's do that. Let's enjoy lunch, and we will see what the rest of this day and the rest of this week has in store for us. Yeah, let's do that. Good morning. It is Thursday. There's hair there. But yeah, I'm waiting for the bus. It looks like it was going to be raining, but anyways, it is Thursday and I am gonna go to the program and to my mom afterwards, and we will see what we get up to. The Easter is to be celebrated this weekend. Sounds like we're invited to dinner with my dad. Yeah, we'll see what this weekend has in store for us. We're gonna try out, fingers crossed, the sushi plates today, and if they have things that I eat, let it not be sold out. We can try something at least. And yeah, let's do this. Happy Easter. For Easter dinner, I tried to make a little Easter look yellow. I got some stuff that's going to Dad. That's my sister's. She's coming to for this dinner. And we saw last night that we got quite a lot of snow. We April Fool's weather. Aprilväder, as we call it. But yeah, there is quite a lot of snow. But yeah, I'm waiting for Dad to pick us up. I don't have a driver's license. But yeah. Let's go and have dinner. Let's go. Why am I so orange, huh? It's not that orange. It's more white than it is in my bedroom. Hello? Is it because I'm yellow? I'll put up my hair because when you have a hoodie and you have this much hair as I do, it just feels knotted and in the way in the back. So put it up a little bit. But yeah, I have to run home. I'm getting tired. It's 7 p.m. something like that. And yeah, it was a lovely dinner and evening with my dad and his wife, and lovely dinner. It was very nice, and it's always nice to meet them and hang out. Right now I am planning to fix things up and prep things for another week with business. Well, I guess my own business, the program and whatnot, and we will see what else we get up to coming week. But right now I feel like I'm gonna remove my contacts. And why is it so orange? Excuse you? Why are we so orange? Hello? I don't like this. Can we go somewhere else? What if this background is white, but I don't look, well, I look white, I'm white, but oh well. Well, I tried to do, as I said before when I went out, that I tried to do a little bit of an Easter look. I have actually intentionally put a little bit more blush than usual, and I have yellow to match this, being a little bit of a chicken. Chick. And Drapion thinks it's time for bed. Mama, fill up our bowls and clean the litter box and go to bed. Or he's like, where have you been? It's late. But I guess, yeah, it is a little bit late, and I should probably, I don't really know how to talk, it seems. I'm gonna remove my contacts, wash off, and prepare for tomorrow when the week is in order. Easter is over from tomorrow, and things get back to normal program and whatnot. Business by business, work, trying to make something take off, sell the program. No, sell an idea, make content. I should probably put some effort in making some shorts out of previous videos, but also do shorts. Do something on TikTok. I haven't done that in a moment. I got a break when I couldn't speak, so I felt like I didn't want to make anything on YouTube, on TikTok when I couldn't use my voice. So I kind of got off track there. But yeah, I should put in more energy to content creating, since that's what I want to do more than doing any other kind of job. So I should put in more effort in things that I actually want to be doing. Yes. Yeah, I think I'm gonna round off here and focus the rest of this evening, and I'm gonna focus on cleaning up, prepping for tomorrow, and yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I do not know what we got for this week, but something. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in my next video next Friday, and coming week, I'm not really sure what we got going on, but I'm sure I will find something for us to do. And aside from the program, I'm sure we will have something exciting, huh? Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. That means a lot for me. It helps me out a great deal if you give a like, and subscribe if you aren't already subscribed. Stay positive, everyone, and see you next week. Right? Bye. Hope you had a lovely week. Bye. Have a good one. See you soon.